For this experiment, we need a plate, dishwashing soap, milk, colors, and stick with cotton. Procedure: put the milk into a shallow plate. Add some colors into the milk. Now dip the cotton stick into the glass filled with dishwashing soap. Put this cotton stick in the center of the milk plate. You'll see swirls in the milk. So how did that happen? When liquid dish soap is added to milk with drops of food coloring on the surface, the soap reduces the surface tension of the milk and reacts with the fat. This interaction causes the fat particles in the milk to move and create swirls of color.